1972 Ford Maverick. Price, $15,750. Location, Alaska. The 1972 Ford Maverick stands as a bold symbol of early 1970s American automotive culture, presented here in a striking bright orange finish that instantly captures attention. This particular model carries the essence of individuality, enhanced by the iconic grabber-style package, an aesthetic upgrade that gave the Maverick a sportier and more aggressive visual identity without compromising its simplicity. The exterior design reflects a perfect blend of classic muscle-era charm and subtle modern touches. The vibrant orange paint is complemented by side and hood graphics, while the 18-inch DRW alloy wheels wrapped in DeLint tires add a contemporary edge. Despite these upgrades, the car maintains its authentic vintage appeal, staying true to its roots. Under the hood, this Maverick is powered by a reliable inline six-cylinder engine paired with a single-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. The setup delivers a smooth and driving experience, ideal for cruising rather than aggressive performance. Supporting features such as power steering, drum brakes, and an upgraded aluminum radiator ensure both comfort and dependability on the road. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you with a clean two-tone vinyl bench seat in cream and black. The interior design remains faithful to its era, featuring manual windows, a classic two-spoke steering wheel, and seat belts. Thoughtful additions like dual side mirrors, a fender-mounted antenna, and a Pioneer radio provide a subtle mix of originality and modern convenience. The name Maverick itself represents independence and a free-spirited attitude, something Ford emphasized with its Longhorn-inspired emblem. This car embodies that philosophy, offering a relaxed, nostalgic driving experience. Mechanically sound and visually appealing, this 1972 Maverick is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of style and a tribute to a bygone era.